In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Google scheduling calendar to Payhip. We'll walk through this step by step so you can connect your existing Google appointment scheduler directly to your coaching product on Payhip. That way, when someone buys your coaching service, they can immediately book a time with you using your Google Calendar link. To start, open your Google Calendar in your browser. Make sure you're signed in to the same Google account where you set up your appointment scheduler. On your calendar, locate the appointment schedule you want to use for your coaching service. This will usually appear as a dedicated appointment schedule block. Click on that appointment scheduler. A pop-up window will open that shows the details of your schedule. In that pop-up, look towards the bottom right and find the option to copy the booking link or appointment link. Click Copy Link. This copies your Google scheduling calendar URL to your clipboard and will paste it into Payhip in a moment. Next, open a new tab and log into your Payhip dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, look at the top navigation bar and click on Products. This will take you to a page where you can see a list of all your products. Find the coaching service product that you want to connect to your Google Calendar. On the right-hand side of that product, you'll see a Manage button. Go ahead and click Manage to open the editing page for that coaching service. Now that you're on the coaching service editing page, look for the set of tabs across the top of the screen. Find the tab labeled Template and click it. This is where you can adjust how your coaching service is structured, including milestones and any linked calendars. On the template page, scroll down until you see the section for your coaching service milestone. Under the description of the first milestone, you should see an Add Calendar button. Click on Add Calendar. A text field will appear where you can paste the Google scheduling calendar URL you copied earlier from your Google Calendar. Click into that field and paste the link. After pasting the link, double check that it looks correct and that there are no extra spaces. Once everything looks good, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This will save your configuration and officially link your Google scheduling calendar to your Payhip coaching product. Now, whenever a customer purchases your coaching service on Payhip, they'll be able to access that calendar link and easily schedule a time with you.